get nature's call and you desperately want to answer, but your body won't respond, or when it does, your stools are dry, hard, and difficult or painful to pass. The most common reason your bowel go on strike is because you lack fiber and water in your diet. The other possible causes are lack of exercise and using laxatives and enemas too often. Let me tell you in short that the best way to get regular again is to eat more fibers. Both soluble and insoluble fibers are good for constipation. Consume 20 to 35 grams per day. Fiber absorbs water and makes the stool softer and larger, which speeds it through the system. To cope up with all the fiber, you'll need more fluids too. Along with this, don't forget about exercise. Do all three things and you'll certainly put a smile on your face instead of that well constipated look. So these are the things which you should normally follow in your daily routine. Now I'm going to discuss with you the treatment of constipation. Along with that, in this video I'm going to discuss with you the list of fruits, vegetables, nuts and all which are good for constipation. Please watch this video till end and you will surely get relief from constipation. Before discussing about the treatment, one very short but very important point I want to tell you is that never try to force your bowel movement. You may give yourself hemorrhoids, piles, anal fissures and fistulas. These not only hurts but also aggravates constipation as they narrows the anal opening. After waking up, drink lukewarm water and start your day with high fiber bran cereals like oatmeals, muesli, smoothies, prunes, protein shake, figs, scrambled eggs, mixed berries, skim milk or low-fat yogurt. This stimulates the movement in your digestive system. If you are not used to eating this much of fiber, start with smaller servings. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of psyllium seeds in a cup of lukewarm water. Let it sit for 2 hours, then add lemon and honey for taste. Then drink it. Psyllium adds bulk to stool and have laxative properties. Laxative are those substances that loosen stool and increase bowel movement. These are easily available and you can also try this remedy with flax seeds. Flax seeds are high in fiber, antioxidant and heart-healthy omega-3 fats. As it tastes like walnut, you can directly consume 1 tablespoon flax seeds with water, or you can grind it and add it to your meals, smoothies or juice. Chia seeds. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with water, but don't overdose it. Don't consume these seeds in large amount for a long time. As you increase your fiber intake, make sure to increase your water intake, at least 8 glasses per day. Fibers are extremely absorbent, so if you don't drink enough water, your stools may become small, hard and difficult to pass. Castor oil. It really does help relieve constipation. It has a compound which stimulates the small and large intestine. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of castor oil in lukewarm water, empty stomach or before going to sleep. Prunes. They are high in fiber and are very good for constipation. 10 prunes are almost 100 grams, which is equal to 7 to 7.5 grams of fiber. It also contains a substance called dihydroxyphenylethylating, which stimulates the intestinal contraction and makes you want to go to washroom. You can directly eat it or you can also make juice of it. If you don't like prunes, open a box of raisin. They are also high in fiber and contains tartaric acid, which has a laxative effect. Those who drink coffee or tea have a cup of it in the morning, as coffee and tea contains caffeine, which has a bowel loosening effect. It induces bowel movement by stimulating the colons, but don't drink too much of it. As it is diuretic, it will eliminate more fluids from your body. If you don't like coffee or tea, try other hot beverages in the morning, like herbal tea or decaffeinated tea, which are better than caffeinated tea. And you can also consume 1 glass lukewarm water with lemon juice and honey into it. Do exercise regularly. When you move your body, your bowel also moves quickly. Other than these, if you want to try the best natural laxative, try Senna. It works in about 8 hours, so take it before bedtime. It comes in various forms like tablets, syrups, pills and others. Important thing is, don't plan on making it for a long-term cure, as it causes dependency, which is not good for your natural process, and it may also cause some side effects like diarrhea, cramps and all. And those who smoke cigarette feels like they won't get pressure without smoking. That's totally a myth. Smoking not only causes constipation but is bad for your overall health. So stop smoking. Eventually, you will realize that your respiratory system, your digestive system and your excretory system are getting well, and you will get relief from constipation as well. So here are the list of some fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts and seeds which are good in constipation. So other than these natural home remedies, there are very good Ayurvedic medicines also available, like Gandharva Haritki, Trifla and others. Along with these, there are Vata dosh treatment and routine also mentioned in Ayurveda. So if you want to know that, let me know in the comment section and I'll make a separate video on that. If you're constipated for more than 2 weeks after trying these remedies, or when you see blood in your stool, do visit your nearby clinic. If you like my video, press the like button and share it with your friends and family. If you want to get updates of my every new video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon below. And if you have any doubts regarding this topic, do comment below. Thank you.